In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in ClickUp. So let's dive right in and make sure your workspace collaborates seamlessly with your team. First things first, you'll want to navigate to ClickUp. If you're already familiar with the platform, you know that getting to the main dashboard is quite straightforward. Just open your browser and type in clickup.com. Once you've logged into your account, you're all set to begin this process. Now, once you're on your ClickUp dashboard, you'll notice your profile name at the top corner. Beside it, there's a small arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various options to manage your account and settings. From this menu, you should see a settings option. Click on it to proceed. The settings area is where you can adjust all your account preferences and manage your team effectively. Within the settings, you will find a section labeled People. Let's click on People now. This section is essentially where you'll be doing most of your team management tasks, including adding new members to your team. It's crucial to understand how this section operates because this is where you'll handle everything related to team collaboration. Now, as you're in the People section, the next step is to locate and click on Members. This option will allow you to view current members and initiate the process of adding new ones. Now, to add a new member, you'll have two choices. You can either type the new member's email directly in the designated field, or, as an alternative, look for the Invite People button, which will make the process even smoother. Once you've decided your desired method for adding members, and you've either entered the email or hit the Invite People button, it's time to finalize this action by clicking on Send Invite. What happens here is ClickUp will send an official invitation for your team members' email, prompting them to join your workspace. After sending the invite, you might want to ensure everything is in order. You can do this by clicking on various options to highlight any necessary tasks or adjustments that need attention. It's always a good idea to double check these settings and invitations to ensure that everyone is properly added without any oversight. In the end, utilizing ClickUp's membership and team management features will significantly streamline your workflow, enabling clear communication and collaboration across your projects. By following these steps, you ensure that your team is all on board and ready to contribute to your goals. That's how you can efficiently add members in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.